Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix LinkedIn ads login issues, business verification errors step by step clearly. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn ads login page. Enter your email address and password in the appropriate fields. If you encounter an error, confirm that you are using the correct login credentials. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies to eliminate any stored data that could be causing the issue. After clearing the cache, close and reopen your browser. Try logging into your LinkedIn ads account again. If the problem persists, consider using a different web browser or device to see if the issue is specific to your current setup. Check for any notifications from LinkedIn regarding business verification errors. If you receive a business verification error, verify that all required business information is correctly entered in your LinkedIn profile. Ensure that your business page is published and doesn't have any restrictions. Check your LinkedIn ads account to confirm that your payment information is up to date. If verification still fails, consult LinkedIn's Help Center for specific troubleshooting steps. Reach out to LinkedIn support for assistance if you cannot resolve the login issue on your own. Provide them with all relevant information about the error message you are receiving. Follow any instructions they provide to correct the issue. After making the necessary adjustments, attempt to log in to your LinkedIn ads account once more. You should now be able to access your LinkedIn ads account without any login issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.